a 10,000 crore bet on lithium cells, a business that hasn't been scaled up yet. And the management itself admits margins will be low, the dependence on import will be higher, and returns are still uncertain in this new business. और इसी बीच जो कोर बिजनेस है, लीड एसिड बिजनेस, वो स्लो हो रहा है, मार्जिन्स पे दबाव है, और डिमांड फ्रॉम यूजर इंडस्ट्री लाइक टेलीकॉम इज आल्सो स्लोइंग डाउन. ये कहानी है अमरा राजा बैटरीज की. सो द बिग क्वेश्चन इज अमरा राजा बिल्डिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर वेयर लिथियम सेल्स विल रूल द मार्केट, और इज इट गोइंग टू फेस headwinds in both the businesses, the existing lead acid business and also the lithium cell business where China is a big player. I will decode the entire story in 5 simple slides for you. So let's first understand the Gigafactory roadmap, the 10,000 crore bet which the company is taking. Now the re-rating of this Amara Raja stock depends a lot on this slide. So if you look at 2025, the megawatt hour scale cell production has begun now with commercial samples sent to Indian customer, and most of the cell materials are initially imported. Now 2027, the bulk production starts at 2 gigawatt hour Gigafactory. This is primarily targeting electric two-wheelers. Now by 2032, total investment reaches 10,000 crore with a revised capacity mix of 50% mobility and 50% ESS. Now mobility is EV batteries and automotive use of these lithium cells, and ESS is the energy storage system. So that is the grid and the storage solution of lithium cell batteries. Now coming to key risk. Now domestic cell will have a minimum 15% price premium over Chinese imports. So Chinese cells are cheaper almost by 15%. And the management says until scale reaches 8 to 10 gigawatt and the upstream ecosystem develop, India is at least 5 to 7 years behind China. Now that's a big admission. These cells are today easily available from China and at a much cheaper rate. And other thing, if you see the capacity of Chinese player, that is in hundreds, 300 or 400 gigawatt factories. And India, we are talking about 2 gigawatt, or Ola Electric, they are also talking about some 5 gigawatt. Now that number is very small to get economies of scale. So now let's understand the valuation, because the kind of disruption that is happening in Amara Raja battery space, that will eat away its entire business going forward. So let's understand the kind of valuation the market is giving. If you look at price to earning, it is 19x, 5-year median is 22x, and it is available at a 14% discount to its 5-year median. EV to EBITDA is 9.8x, 5-year median is 11.5x, again available at 15% discount. Price to book is 1.9, 5-year median is 2.8, much higher valuation currently, 32% discount, and market cap to sale 1.1x, 5-year median is 1.5x, and it is available at a discount of 27%. So if you look at the 4 key parameters, Amara Raja battery today is available at a discount of 15 to 30%. So that reflects in the investor sentiments. Investors are cautious in this company now. Now many will see it as a value entry into the stock. So as you can see from the first chart, a lot depend on the execution of lithium cell battery plant. And Amara today is also, if you look at the peer group, it is the cheapest stock. Now the entire answer on the valuation lies in its business mix. So let's understand the business mix of Amara Raja batteries. So if you look at lead acid batteries, which are used in the automotive segment, so the 58% revenue share comes from lead acid batteries. The growth is around 6 to 8. So it has slowed down to single digit. So that is Amaran brand and a lot of OEM supplier, original equipment supplier or the car maker, they use Amara Raja, battery. If you look at lead acid batteries which are used in the industrial segment, especially telecom and other, sector, share is 38%, and growth is again single digit, 2 to 3%. So it is telecom, UPS, railways, power, extra. So a very slow growth, single digit growth, and a very higher share in the revenue. Now if you look at these two, it comprises of almost 96%. So 96% come today from the lead acid, which is the dying business. And new energy is 4% and 35% growth in Q4. So EV battery pack, ESS, EV chargers. So this is the high growth business, but the share is very low. Now let's look at the key risk factors for Amara Raja. So the Chinese cost disadvantage, cheaper Chinese lithium cell. Like we said, they are available at 15% lower. EV makers may prefer Chinese cell. So whether it's Ather, Bajaj Auto, TVS, they may go for Chinese cell. Gigafactory execution risk, bulk production target is 2027. So if there is any delay, that will trigger sharp derating of the stock. So we have to closely watch the execution. Lead demand disruption, 96% revenue from lead acid batteries. Legacy cash flow could erode in the next 3 to 5 years. Raw material volatility, globally priced commodity. Now in lithium cell, the items are imported. OPM can swing. Operating profit margin 200 to 300 basis point. Competition from Avatas and Ola Electric. So there is a lot of domestic competition also here, for Amara Raja batteries. Now ये slide भी बहुत important है because जो manufacturing capacity है in India globally वो समझना भी बहुत जरूरी है. So if you look at Amara Raja, they are having 2 gigawatt hour in the phase 1, then 16 gigawatt in the long term. Target for phase 1 is 2027. 50% is for mobility, 50% for ESS split like we talked about earlier. 10,000 का capex है. Now if you look at Ola Electric, they are targeting 5 gigawatt hour. The expansion is underway. First mover advantage, own captive demand भी है because they have their own Ola electric scooters. Now if you look at Tata Group, they have Agatas up to 40 gigawatt hour. So they will have lot of economies of scale. 26 to 28 का टारगेट है. टाटा ग्रुप OEM डिमांड, उनकी अपनी कैप्टिव डिमांड भी है because they have Tata Motors and they have commercial vehicles. Now this slide is very important. The BYD and the CATL, these two company, Chinese companies, they have 500 plus gigawatt kind of capacity. Now this gives them the price advantage. Already operating, so 15 to 20% cheaper than Indian cell. 2-decade ecosystem advantage. So they have a history of last 20 years in this business. Samsung, SDI and Panasonic, emerging Indian presence है 25 to 27 में they are targeting, and they have technology partnership with Indian oil companies. So as you can see, Amara Raja battery is not a simple value stock. It is available at a discount for a reason. So this is a transition story. On the one hand, you have a legacy business which is growing at a single digit and has a clear-cut terminal value because this business will phase out in the next 5 to 10 years. And you have a new business, the lithium cell battery is growing, promising, but you have a lot of competition here from both Indian and the global Chinese players. So this is a story where you have to watch the execution very carefully and also the margins. Just to make a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes. In case you want to buy, sell and hold Amara Raja stock, I suggest to consult your financial advisor.